In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format text in Google Keep. Google Keep is a fantastic tool for organizing your thoughts, notes, and reminders. However, it doesn't offer built-in text formatting options like bold, italics, or different fonts. But don't worry, I've got a simple workaround using a tool called boldtext.io. Let's get started on how you can easily enhance your notes. First, we'll need to access Google Keep. Begin by clicking on the Google Apps icon, which is usually located at the top right of your Google homepage or Gmail. Once you click on that, you'll see a panel open up with all available Google applications. Scroll down until you find Keep, and then go ahead and click on it to open. Now that we have Google Keep open, let's set up our formatting tool. In a new browser tab, type in the URL for boldtext.io and open it. This site allows you to generate different text styles and formats, which we can then use in Google Keep. You'll notice an input box at the top of the boldtext.io page, where you can type or paste text to be formatted. Next, return to your Google Keep tab, find the note or text that you want to format, and copy it. You can do this by selecting the text and using the shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac, or simply right-click and copy. Once copied, go back to the boldtext.io tab. Paste your text into the input box by pressing Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. After pasting your text, you'll see various font options displayed beneath the input box in boldtext.io. These are different styles that you can choose from for your text. To explore even more font options, click on the Show More Text Fonts button. This will expand the list, offering you a wider selection of styles to choose from. Select the font that best suits your needs. Once you've found a font you like, click on it to highlight the formatted text. Again, copy this newly formatted text using the shortcuts or the right-click method. Head back over to Google Keep, navigate to your note and paste the styled text back in. And there you have it, a note in Google Keep with bold styled text, all set up to better express your thoughts and creativity. This method is a simple yet effective way to overcome the limitations of Google Keep's basic text editor. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to explore other videos for more productivity tips and tricks.